Talking all that online, hope you got some soldiers. Talking all that online, hope you got some soldiers. When it's coming on your time, you're me asking order. I know you talking.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Dirty Rock Street News Book and Street TV. Hey, man, today, man, I want to talk about this whole Tyre Nichols situation that happened down in Memphis, Tennessee, where the 5 black police officers beat Tyre Nichols to death. You know, those 5 officers have been charged with murder, kidnapping, and some other charges. You know, what's been released about the information, you know, is just simply that boy Tyre Nichols was pulled over, assaulted by the police, pulled out of his car, you know, as they tased him, threw him to the ground. He got up and he ran. Scared for his life, I suppose. Most of us are when we pulled over by the police. So when they caught back up with that man Tyre Nichols, you know, they unleashed a very vicious beating on this man, kicking, beating him with the batons. You know, some real slave master work. So, yeah, they've been charged. They've been terminated from their jobs. You know, it really looks like another case of driving while being black, regardless if it's white or black police officers. But it might be a little deeper than that. You know, matter of fact, it definitely is deeper than that. This was a vicious beating, man. You can see and feel the intensity that they had with this guy from the time they pulled him over. It was something personal. So, you know, you probably ask yourself, how personal could it have been? Well, the streets in the M is definitely saying that Tyre Nichols was having sex with one of the officers' wives. And this is the whole spark for them looking for this man. Anytime they seen him, it was on site with this man. And this just happened to be a day when they called up with that boy Tyre Nichols. Unfortunately for him, they had a hit out on him. They had a bounty out on him. They said, when we find this man, we're going to put a beating unruly on him. Did they intend to kill him? Probably not. They probably intended to just beat him within inches of his life over a woman. You know, these big soft batch ass police in the video, over a woman, they killed this man. So, you know, when you look at the situation, you like black on black crime, police crime, it's deeper than that. Rest in peace to that boy Tyre Nichols. Condolences to his family. And, you know, anyone willing to share that information come forward from the family. But the streets is definitely talking. Credible sources are saying that Tyre Nichols was knocking down, having sex with one of the police officer wives. One of the 5 that was charged. One of those black gentlemen that joined the force. Yeah, one of those guys' feelings was hurt. So tell me what you think about this situation. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, cut on that post notification. Until next time, YouTube, one.
Talking all that